Hello everyone, myself Anil Patel. I am a third year computer engineering student at Sarojini University. Today I'll give you introductory session about IAM service. Here are some ways with that you can access AWS in your device. First one is AWS CLI. It is a command line interface mainly used for the scripting and automation tasks. Second one is console. After logging in your AWS account, the screen you will see is your console. With the help of it, you can access all the service of AWS. Third one is AWS SDK. It is the software development kit mainly used for the integrating AWS and your application together. IAM stands for the Identity and Access Management. It is the security service. Imagine bank as a AWS and a guard as a IAM. That security guard made bank secure. It mainly used for the authentication purpose. Means who are you? Before entering to the bank, the guard will ask your ID card. It's also used for the authorization. Means what can you do? It's the free service. Means you don't have to pay anything for using this. And it's the global service. Means it not depend on any particular region. Core components of IAM. First one is user, means the individual person who try to access your AWS resource. Every user have their own credential, secret key, access key, username and password. User are given the access permission based upon the roles. Example, developer have the full access of EC2 instance. For the intern, he only have the read access. Second one is group. It means the collection of user. Here, group don't require any credential and the access permission is directly inherit from the group. Third one is policies, means some set of rules that are defined in the JSON format. Example, you are using bank service, then you need to follow all the rules of bank. Policy help us to specify which access to we allow and deny. Here, in this example, we are allowing S3 bucket list and this is the JSON format. When someone try to request for accessing our resource, firstly we will check it as a deny condition. If yes, then we deny and won't check the further. And if it's not, then we again checked it as a allow condition. If yes, then we approve. Consider this as when you register for any technical event. They check your name inside of the registration list. If your name is there, they will allow you. Fourth one is roles. It mainly used for providing temporary security credentials for the short-term duration. Here, we try to running command prompt as an administrator. Here, administrator itself is a one particular role. IAM roles use security token service for providing the temporary credentials. Means, you are visiting one particular place. The authority of place give you visiting card for using all the services for the short-term period. Consider this visiting card as a token. Here, in this example, the application is running inside of EC2 instance who try to access the data of S3 bucket with the help of access key and secret key of user. But these both keys are the long-term credential of user AWS account. Using this might be riskful. Instead of this, we can use roles. Here, we are attaching policies along with the roles and that role is assigned to the EC2 instance and that application try to access the data of S3 bucket with the help of role. It is a good practice compared to the previous one because role mainly used for the short term duration. CloudTrail. It helps us to track and API call made with our accounts, means who change, access and modify. It also stores last 90 days activity. Consider CloudTrail as a CCTV camera. It put watch on everyone, means what they are doing. Let's recap all these things that we cover in this session. First one is IAM component. User means the individual person. Groups means the collection of user. Policies means some set of rules. Roles means the temporary security credential. Best practice of using IAM service is to enable multi-factor authentication. Why? For preventing unauthorized access. It add one more extra security layer. Using IAM role for avoiding long-term credential. It also secure our secret key. Monitoring IAM activity with the help of CloudTrail for tracking change. So that's all from the my side. Thank you everyone for your valuable time.